Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband and I just recently rebuilt our back deck, and I wanted to add a few lights to the stairs heading into the yard, and I could not be more pleased with these solar deck lights from Ahaorigin. The first thing I want to tell you about these lights is how durable they are. I've had them in the blazing sun, and I've had them through powerful thunderstorms, and they still work great. These came ready to use right out of the box, and installation was a breeze. I simply measured how far apart the screw holes were with a piece of tape, put in the screws where I wanted the lights to be, and they hung nicely. I also like that they were easy to remove so that I can switch the light from color changing mode to white light. I was also very impressed with the fact that even on cloudy days, you can still absorb enough energy with these to keep them lit all night. They were still lit in the morning when I woke up. These were very fun for a summer party because you can set them with the flip of a switch to the color changing mode. Personally, I like the color changing mode, so I keep them on that all of the time. So if you're ready to illuminate your porch steps, railing, or along your fence line, then these lights from Ahaorigin are not going to let you down. And that's my point of view.